Hey, in this video, we are going to explain the best way to clean your bed sheets. Now, you've made an investment in your bed sheets, and if you bought luxury linens, you made a pretty good investment in your bed sheets, and you're going to want to properly take care of them to get the maximum amount of life. If properly taken care of, a good set of bed sheets may last as long as 10 years or more. Now, in the wash cycle, you're going to want to use a cool to medium water temperature. And here's what you should do. Turn on your washer, let it fill up about halfway. And you want to add your detergent, I guess, when you start the washer, but let it fill up halfway before you add your sheets. You're never going to want to pour detergent directly on the sheets. It can discolor them and damage the fibers. So let it fill up. One set of sheets in the wash machine at a time. If you overload that washer, they're not going to get as clean. So again, one set of sheets. If you need to spot those sheets, wet the area that you're going to spot, then apply your detergent and a small brush or rub them together. That's the best way to do it. Another thing you're going to want to do is pull back on the amount of detergent you're using, because again, if you're not rinsing that out, that detergent builds up a residue, and that collects body oil and dead skin cells. And that's one of the factors that will discolor your bed sheets. Another tip, when you put them in the wash machine, unfurl them. A lot of people, they take them off the bed, they roll them up in a ball and just put that ball in the wash machine. You want them to agitate freely as much as possible so that they get clean. With regard to detergent, we recommend avoiding things such as OxyClean and Tide and Cheers. They contain brighteners. Brighteners are bleach derivatives, and bleach is a little bit hard on cotton. No fabric softener. Fabric softener coats the fiber, again, which over time will add a little dinginess to the sheet itself. Another thing you can do this on a weekly basis or every couple of washes, throw in a half a cup of baking soda. It just keeps them nice, bright, and fresh smelling. If your sheets are getting dingy all the time, consider washing them more. We recommend at minimum washing them once a week. But if you wash them a little bit more frequently, they'll stay a little bit brighter. Another thing to consider in the warmer months, or for those that live in warmer climates, purchase an extra set of pillowcases and swap those pillowcases out midweek. Typically, your face has more body oil than other parts of your body, and so those pillowcases become a little bit more loaded up with body oil, faster than other areas of the sheet. Onto the dryer. So you're going to want to dry these on a cool to a medium temperature. When you put them in the dryer, they're going to be twisted up, when you pull them out of the wash machine. So unfurl them. You're going to want them to tumble really well. They'll dry faster, and it'll be easier on the cotton fibers themselves. Don't let them set in the bottom of the dryer once the dry cycle is complete. One, you'll just add wrinkles, to the sheets. In addition to that, you'll expose them to unnecessary heat. You don't want to use dryer sheets as well. Dryer sheets are a silicone-based chemical, and it coats the sheets, and again, it will aid in building up, coating or debris in your sheets. Take them out of the dryer when they're slightly damp, fold them up, put them in your linen closet, or put them back on the bed. Hey, I hope this has been informative. If you have any bedding-related questions, give us a call, send us an email. We're happy to assist. Thank you.